It is Monday. Got carrier bearing support, new bolts, new uprights from the crosspiece weldment, all installed. I was pretty damn upset. This weldment here, brand spanking new from Bush Hog, was a 1/4 inch out of square, which means traversing through everything, one hole wouldn't line up. Brand new. So I had to cut it apart, true it up, and re-weld it. This part here is over $300, and I had to rework it when it was brand new. That was pretty upsetting to me. Next thing, this shaft going back is a solid shaft. It's carried by this pillow block bearing, what I call the carrier bearing. This is a lock ring that locks everything in. Bush Hog is saying these bolts are not supposed to be tight against the metal. That makes no sense to me. Once everything is lined up, the shaft turns freely. These, I think, should be tightened down. Maybe on some series mowers you have to leave them a little loose. On this mower, I can't see the benefit of leaving them loose at all, other than wearing everything out if there's any kind of vibration whatsoever. So I torqued them down about 100 foot-pounds. The shaft turns, and the shaft turns freely. That's me turning everything, including those stump jumpers, the outboard gearboxes, and everything else. There's no grinding in my bearing. There's no movement in my bearing. I don't see why these should be kept loose. Either I screwed up or I didn't. We'll find out. Over here, a John Deere 2350 is going to the dealer. I'm not going to tell you why. It's an upgrade. No mechanical issues. Tractor runs just like it's supposed to. But I'm going to get an upgrade done. Y'all can guess and see what you think it's going to be. I'll know, have the upgrade completed. Not this week, but sometime next week. Well, that's all for now. The humidity is about 85%, and it is miserable up here right now. So I'm going to get this thing boomed down and head to town. Thank you.